Meet John. These days, John spends an awful lot of time on phone calls and meetings. It can be pretty mind-numbing, to say the least.
Tell me about it.
Well, John, say hello to your new best friend, HiDock. Just plug and play. It's a powerful audio doc for transcribing and analyzing calls, meetings, and lectures with intelligent features powered by ChatGPT. We all know too well how work calls can drag on and on and on.
Yup, 2 hours and counting. Go ahead, guys. I'll just be on mute.
So if you're ever indisposed, like a second brain, HiDock has your back. It pulls any sound from your phone or computer, turning it into neatly organized text. Taking notes just got a whole lot easier.
I mean, who even uses these nowadays?
With the click of a button, you mark a note and HiDock analyzes the text before and after your marker to highlight the most important details. HiDock can even summarize the entire call, so you never have to dig through tons of text to review what was said.
John? Hello? Did we wake you?
Yeah, no, I was just meditating.
It can also extract key bullet points for your to-do list, so nothing gets missed.
Can client get this by Monday?
Sure, no problem. Got what I need right here.
Hello?
You can kiss noisy environments goodbye. With the dual-core neural audio processor, HiDock silences background noise from both ends of the call.
Can you hear me now?
Loud and clear.
Perfect.
HiDock also doubles as a nifty little hub with plenty of ports for all your external devices. So with auto transcriptions, ChatGPT, and bi-directional noise cancellation, communication and note-taking will never be the same.